Welcome to this tutorial. How to know if your email account has been hacked. Today, we're going to tackle a topic that's crucial for your online security. How to know if your email account has been hacked. A hacked email account not only compromises your personal information, but also puts your contacts, sensitive data, and even financial accounts at risk. We'll walk you through the steps to identify if your account has been hacked. So let's get started. Open your web browser. Click on the Gmail at the top right, and then click on the Sign In button. Enter your email ID and click on the Next button. Enter your password and click on the Next button. If you noticed that after many tries your email is not opening and you are using the correct password that you generally use, then this could mean that your email account has been hacked. If you have successfully logged in on your email, very first, you should check the Sent folder. If you notice that there are some unknown emails sent from your email ID, then this means your email has been hacked. Immediately inform your contacts that this email is not sent by you. You may receive some emails from social media platforms for friends requests or with some sensitive topics which are sent on behalf of you. This is a red alert for you that your email has been hacked. Click on your profile icon at the top right. Click on Manage your Google account. Click on the Security tab on the left side panel. Click on the Review Security Activity link to review your recent security activity. Carefully check your activities on this page. If you see some unknown activities, then this means your email has been hacked. Click on the See Unfamiliar Activity button and click on the Change Password link at the bottom. Change your password immediately. Wasn't that helpful? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.